えんかい. Used for company events or celebrations. It often appears when talking about year-end parties or welcome gatherings. えんかい、会社のイベントやお祝いの場でよく使います。忘年会や歓迎の集まりの話で出てきます。It is used as a noun. えんかい literally means a gathering for eating, drinking, and celebrating, like a banquet or party. 人が集まって食べたり飲んだりしながら楽しむ集まりのことです。少しかかしこまった場でも使われます。The first kanji means a banquet or feast. It suggests people under a roof enjoying food and drink. You can see it in enseki and shuen. Imagine a lively table with smiles and toasts. The second kanji means to meet or gather. It shows people coming together as one. You can see it in kaigi and kaien. It points to groups, meetings, and membership. There's a banquet tonight. 今夜は宴会があります。今夜は宴会があります。We will have a party at work. 私たちは会社で宴会を開きます。私たちは会社で宴会を開きます。We all participated in the banquet. みんなで宴会に参加しました。みんなで宴会に参加しました。The party was cancelled due to rain. 雨で宴会は中止になりました。雨で宴会は中止になりました。The most common synonyms of the word are nomikai and kaishoku. Nomikai is casual and centered on drinks with friends or coworkers. Kaishoku means eating together and can be formal, but it's not always festive. The most common antonym of the word is jishuku. It means holding back from gatherings or celebrations, the opposite of hosting a party.